jQuery syntax is specifically made for selecting HTML elements and performing some type of action on an individual element or group of elements. The basic syntax looks as follows. A $sign is to define and access jQuery. A selector is to query or find specific HTML elements. A jQuery action is to be performed on the elements. It's also a good practice to nest jQuery methods and functions inside a document-ready event that looks like this. This prevents any jQuery code from running before the document has finished loading. We'll come back to this point in a moment. Let's take a look at an example to better illustrate this concept. We'll create a script that allows users to hide any text contained within a paragraph tag in an HTML document by clicking a button. Here's a demonstration of what the script will do. Here we have 2 lines of text and also a heading. The 2 lines of text are contained within paragraph tags. When we click the Hide Text button, those 2 text lines disappear. And that's what the script will do. Let's go ahead and get started on the script. First, we need to create a few blocks of text in our body tag. Type the following in between your open and close body tags. We'll start with the header. Now we have our 2 paragraphs created. And lastly, we need to create our button. Next, we'll create our script starting with the document.ready function. This section here is the hide function that will be triggered when the button is clicked. Remember that we've specified that only the text in the paragraph tags should be hidden when the button is clicked. So the event is specified here, the action, hide, and the element is P, which is for the paragraph elements. And this will all be triggered when the button is clicked. And that's it. The function should now work. We'll go ahead and save the file and preview it in our web browser. And so you can test that out in yours as well.